Hey, good afternoon. It's Bob from Trade Genius. It's the 6th of November, and market's still open yet, but I'm packing a little bit early today. Got to take care of something, but absolutely terrific day for us. What we've been talking about for the last week came through. A little geopolitical support, and the northern two-thirds of the country, northwestern part of the country, is under snow, and cold weather coming into the northeast. And it was just a recipe for just some massive moves in natural gas. And I mean, look at this move here. When we told you guys, when it hit this boundary here, this was a buy area, and then just on the day trading money machine, just the hourly arrows, called it again overnight. And but we knew going into Sunday when that thing popped. I just waited until until I noticed it wasn't going to go down anymore to fill the gap, and I loaded up again because I covered Friday at the close, and just boom, just another beautiful day. And now we hit some massive resistance here. This is on the hourly, and let me just show you the daily too. And I'm still bullish on natural gas. I'm just saying this hitting some walls, and this thing is very, very volatile, as you can see. That's why we like to trade it. But if you look here, this is a wedge I drew last week too. And look, I mean, it went from the bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge in a week. I mean, this is less than a week. It's just incredible. And now my expectation is, and it's right at point of control, we'll probably drift down, maybe follow this wedge here a little bit, and then we're going to here. And then we're going to go to here. I just don't know how fast. So I took off everything I had leverage. I'll get to that in a second. But, we paired our positions quite extensively, and now we're just going to kind of wait and see. But there's another move here coming. The air is going to get cold, and I think this move is going to go longer than normal. So I think when we get into January and February, when everybody's going to start shorting natural gas, I think we're going to have an extended winter season, and I think it's going to screw some people up. So it's probably going to be really good for UNG and for UGAS, because they won't have the contango screwing them up. They'll have backwardation working in their favor, which basically means that people are going to have to be buying versus selling the front month contracts on these derivatives, which is good for people who are trading it, near term. So, but that's just an incredible move here. And then I'm going to shift gears, but you can just so you know. You can join our service, and we just had some fantastic trades again. And the ETF Magic gets you 50% off the room for a year, and we throw in the day trading money machine at no cost. And I'm actually final testing on the TradingView ETF Swing Trader, and when I release that, anybody who signs up under the ETF Magic promo code, I'm going to also give you that for a year too. At no additional charge, so you guys can try it out and try the trades that we can't get to everything, and you might want to trade some different things. It's I think you'll be pretty excited about that too, but you have to use promo code ETF Magic to get it. And after the 15th, I'm not offering it at no charge, so it's your call if you want to get some really good software and some good signals for a really good price. Shifting gears to the crypto world, is that yesterday I was telling everybody when I did my video that our money machine suggested an exit, and then if you didn't get out there for sure when the 20 rolled over, you should have got out. If you're trading this, if you're just stacking Bitcoin, then this conversation is not for you. But if you're trading it, just another great call. Has really good profit factor to it. Has a good win-loss ratio over 60%, and the wins are twice as big as the losses. So, this is it's a good piece of software. And then Phil actually called out in the room yesterday too, saying, hey, going into the evening yesterday, that if the European Open wasn't bullish, that we're in a bearish mindset. And so you can also use the Crypto Magic moniker promo code to get this software at no charge for a year, and you get the room, the crypto trading room, and the crypto signals for half price, just using Crypto Magic. And that's to the 15th. And if you're already a subscriber to either one, you can extend your memberships and take advantage of this. So these tools are designed to help you make money and also stay out of trouble. And so we're just putting it out there for you. If you want to take advantage of it, the crypto room, Phil's a witch doctor. He just has a great pulse of what's going on here. He understands what's at stake here with all these forks, and what's going to happen after the forks. And I think, if you're just trying to get up to speed, there's a lot of people out there that are offering stuff, but they don't really trade it. Phil's been a miner of Bitcoin since 2011. He doesn't mine anymore, but he has quite the stack, and he trades these things religiously. So there's probably nobody better out there that I would follow than Phil, and hence that's why he's working with me. So anyway, that's that. And then just on the ETF side or the stock side, is that a really good day for our stuff. We started pairing positions, but the things that we're still in is EXXI, we're in, and that's pretty much where we bought it. But I'm looking for a breakout here. I'm thinking this whole sell-off is we're going to get a massive short squeeze here, and that's when we'll sell out. We're still in FCG. Okay, we bought this 2206. Okay, we're still in JJN. We bought this at 1508, I think, and then we are out of SWN officially at 595. Another great run. We bought it at 522, and then we've been running UGAS, but that was outside of the signal. But we closed the last of our positions at 1062, and those in the chat room are following it. I don't like to call out triples too much anymore because people can't handle it, and people get too aggressive, and then they can't handle a drawdown where I could keep buying in if it goes against me short term. And so I rather short them, and so we look for opportunities in the advanced room to look for triples to short. But overall, pretty excited about where we are. Now I'm going to take a step back for a day or two, look for the next opportunities for us to look for some good swings. I think the market is going to start to loosen up here. Pretty excited about that, and I think they're going to start losing control. What's just going on in Saudi Arabia and China and some of these places, I think something is up and could upset the apple cart very, very quickly. So anyway, it's Bob from Trade Genius. Would love for you to join us, and you can go to tradegenius.co and use those promo codes that I talked about earlier, and take advantage of a pretty incredible offer. And the money that you spend, you could certainly write off against your trading profits. And that's it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll be putting out, for those subscribing, I'll put out the updated profit loss sheet, and I put out the sheet this morning publicly on my public blog, and I'll update it tonight, and I'll look for a couple opportunities for us to buy in. And those who subscribe, I'll have those out in the morning before the market opens. Thanks. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.